Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear kids. Welcome to Montessori online classes. How are you my dear kids? Are you missing your school? I know all of you are missing your school. Don't worry because your teachers are preparing online lessons for you all so that you can continue your study at home. Stay home, stay safe. I'm your teacher Aneela Khalid. My dear kids, do you know weather is changed and winter has come? We all feel cold in winter season, so we have to protect ourselves by wearing winter clothes. Now teacher will tell you about winter clothes. हम विंटर्स में ब्लेजर्स और जैकेट्स वियर करते हैं to keep ourselves warm. We wear warm caps to protect our heads during winter season. We wear socks and sneakers to protect our feet. But what should we wear to protect our hands? हम अपने हैंड्स को विंटर सीजन में प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, वार्म रखने के लिए क्या वियर करते हैं? Yes, we wear gloves to protect our hands. हम विंटर सीजन में ग्लव्स वियर करते हैं अपने हैंड्स को वार्म रखने के लिए. My lovely kids, today we will learn how to wear gloves. अब टीचर आपको एक वीडियो दिखाने वाली हैं जिसको देखने के बाद आप सबको पता चल जाएगा कि ग्लव्स कैसे वियर करते हैं. So, now watch this video along the winter song. Hello my lovely kids. First, rub your hands. These are gloves. These are gloves. It is a pair of gloves. Okay. First, pick up the glove by the folded edge. You will show your hands like this and pick up the glove. Okay, dear kids, you will pull the glove on your hands like this. First, you will pull the glove on your thumb, then on index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and at the end on the little finger. Now pull the gloves on your hands. Okay, first on your thumb, then index finger, then middle finger, then pull the gloves on your ring finger and at the end on your little finger. Yes, I'm wearing the glove. I'm wearing the glove. Okay, now do the same procedure for your other hand. Put the hand into the glove. Pull the glove on your thumb. Like this. Now pull the glove on your index finger. Yes. Now in your middle finger, in your ring finger, and at the end pull the glove on your little finger. I'm wearing gloves. माय लवली किड्स, आपने ये वीडियो एंजॉय की ना? अब टीचर आपको आपके जैसी एक क्यूट बच्ची की वीडियो दिखाने वाली हैं जिसे देखकर आपको पता चल जाएगा छोटे बच्चे ग्लव्स कैसे वियर करते हैं.
Winter's here now, winter's here now. Get your coats, get your scarves. Have you made a snowman? Have you made a snowman? Socks and boots, woolly gloves. Winter's here now, winter's here now. Get your coats, get your scarves. Have you made a snowman? Have you made a snowman? Socks and boots, woolly gloves. Winter's here now, winter's here now. Get your coats, get your scarves. Have you made a snowman?
देखा, आप सबको पता चल गया ना ग्लव्स कैसे वियर करते हैं. अब आप सब ने भी ऐसी ही वीडियोस बनाकर अपनी अपनी टीचर्स को सेंड करनी है। Hope you have enjoyed this lesson a lot. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.